Well, good afternoon, fellow diamond painters. DP Crazy Lady here. It is 12:23, excuse me, p.m. It is it's the 9th of May, Thursday, 2024. I'm excited. This is the new PR package that I've been waiting for since about the end of last month. It's a new company. They are on Facebook. I have seen some of their paintings finished. They're beautiful. I'll have all the links in the description below. You need to check them out on Facebook, on their website. I'm going to open this. I want to see. I want to see if this is as good as I've been seeing. So, let me get my scissors. And let me grab the other scissors. See, I'm never prepared, y'all. Oh, you ought to be used to that by now. So, like I said, a new company to me. I've never heard of them. And it's packaged real tight. Feels like a lot of bubble wrap around it. Very well packaged. So, I cannot wait to see this. I am so excited for this. If I can get it open, I don't want to damage anything. Start with the top layer and work our way through. Next layer. I am really excited for this. Boy, they made sure that this was delivered well. Oh, I see it's a lot of bubble wrap. Now that's some serious shipping. Oh, yeah. That means they at least care about their diamond paintings, I'll tell you. Oh my goodness. Like double, triple, and quadruple packed. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm not speaking, I know. It's a deadly silence. I'm trying to be very, very careful on opening this. I don't want anything to happen. Okay, I see it's rolled on styrofoam. A roller. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh yeah. Whoops. Some of these here. It's flocked. It's very well rolled. I mean, it's on there nice. can see it's readable. Oh, another. Let me get the picture out of here. I can see there's a... Now that is rolled. That is very, very well protected. It's your typical kit. Wax, a few baggies, tray, pen, a pair of those bent tweezers. So you can't see that. All right. The colors are individually bagged. Look at that. Lots of black. Oh my goodness, the reds, purple, dark purple, light purple, medium purple, another purple, pink. Lots of black. Okay. I will show you the picture of what I chose. There are, I will give you the name of this company in a second. There are 50 colors. 50. Here is the photo. Isn't that beautiful? This is a square. And the name of the company is Sunature. Sunature. I will make sure it's spelled correctly. I hope I am saying it correctly. They are on Facebook. I have seen several of these done. They contacted me, and I've seen several of them that were finished, and they're beautiful. The nice thing is you can select from the smallest to the largest that you prefer. You can have rounds or squares. I don't know what their shipping is because this was a PR package, so all I can tell you is you saw how well they packaged. I mean, they made sure this thing was not going to get damaged. This one is a, I'll tell you in a second what size. Oh geez, I can't even roll this thing. I was trying to remember what the size was, and I don't think it's marked. What I had chose, a 50 by 60, I think, is what I chose. They go up even higher and smaller. Yeah, okay, this is a 50 by 70. I mean, it is readable. I mean, it is beautifully rendered. I mean, oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. I know you guys are sick of me with animals. This is amazing. The symbols. There are, you know, the, what you call it, symbol. There's alphabet and some numbers. I don't remember if there were any ABs in this. I would have to look. I should have looked it up. This is a Christmas horse. Let me check out these colors. They are so shiny. And those are your regular drills. These are so shiny. 50 colors, you guys. I mean, come on. 50 colors. It means there's some detail in this product. Yeah, I don't see any ABs. I don't think this one had ABs. Now, this is gorgeous. The colors. I mean, look at the purples. If any of you are interested in the purples. Individually bagged. Some people like this, some people don't. I'll be setting them up a lot of weight. I mean, I'm looking at the drills and I don't see any marks on the backs that I can see. I don't see any static that I can see either. But this is a square, but you can choose. You can get round or square. That's entirely up to you, what you prefer. They're a good company. I don't know. The lady who runs it on the Facebook is so nice. So nice. You have to get, I'm going to put all the links in the description below. I mean, this is, there's some confetti, not tons. Color blocking, I mean, it's all there. And this is going to, I can tell this is going to turn out beautiful. They have such a big selection. And I mean, it's not just, you know, I mean, and you can, and they do customs. You guys have got to check this company out. There is the name of it right here. Let me see if I can get it in there. It's sunaturedp.com. You have got to check them out. I mean, seriously. They have got such a selection. I mean, I had a heck of a time trying to decide what I wanted. There was so much to choose from, so much I liked, and this is the one I picked. So, I mean, 50 colors. That's a lot of colors. That's a lot of colors, which means it's going to be detailed. Not exactly sure when I'm going to get to it. It'll take a little bit of time. I want to finish a couple of the other things I have to do for this month, but I know they say Christmas in July. I don't want to wait till July to get to this. Maybe by the end of this month or within the first week of June, I'm going to start on this and try to, you know, make sure I show a lot of it being done, because this is going to turn out beautiful. What's nice is they put down, you know, how many drills there are of certain colors. They tell you how many bags. There are 51 bags, because I'm sure that the black one or one of those has 2 in there. So this is it's beautiful. 50 by 70, and they have smaller and they have even larger than this 50 by 70. So, you know, you can go the size you want. You know, you can pick your drills, round or square. For those of you who don't like square, hey, you can go to the round, and vice versa. But you've got to at least check them out, please. At least check them out. To me, this, just by looking at it, and I almost guarantee myself that by the time it is painted, this is a whole new level of company. I could put it real close to, sorry Diamond Art, but I could put them close, real close. And the higher you go in size, yes, that's a little more expensive, but you can go a little smaller. There's a preference there, as to what you want. Large, small. I think maybe they'll all render really well. The stickiness, oh yeah, is there. Like I said, they're on Facebook. I joined their Facebook group, and that's where I saw a lot of these done there, and they are beautiful. Not this particular painting, but they have tons. So I'm going to get off here. I'm going to get all the links put up for you. So this company, you have, please just at least check them out, and you may be surprised. You may order from them. I hope you do. I really do. This is good. I am so tickled with this. This one's, it's almost like buying, what you all would call from a premium company. This is a premium company. This is gorgeous. So let me get off here so I can get you guys, all the links, all the information, and hey, the weekend's coming up. Spend the weekend if you have a job. Spend the weekend when your time off and go through their website, check stuff out, put some in your wish list, and you never know, you may end up buying more than you planned. Who knows? Check them out on Facebook. You'll see where some have been finished, and you will see the quality of the paintings and the testimonials from those who bought them and did them. Yes, I'm talking up this company. It's new to me, but it's beautiful. So y'all have a good day. And I'll be back on probably later this evening with some updates on the couple things that I am working on now. So, stay tuned for that. So, hugs. Love you all. Come back again. And you never know what I'm going to have here. So, hugs, DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.